Hey guys, back with another video. Today I'm going to be making a cream cheese pound cake. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is add in your butter. So we have 3 room temperature unsalted butter, sticks of unsalted butter. This is the last one. Alright, and then you want to add in your 3 cups of sugar. I put my sugar in here. This is 3 cups of sugar. And then you're going to add in 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature. So you add that in there. And I'm going to get every bit because this stuff is not cheap. So make sure I get every bit of this. Alright. So what we're going to do, we're going to start mixing it up. This is how it should look. And I use, turn this off. I use this type of, let me show you, this type of cream cheese. So again, let me show you how it should look. This is it, the consistency. Okay guys, the next thing you want to add is your vanilla extract. And as you're mixing, make sure you scrape around the bowl. The stuff gets around the bowl. And you're going to put about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Of course, I don't measure. But it's about 2 teaspoons of that. And then I have 6 eggs. One at a time, you're going to mix your eggs one at a time. Well, 2 happened to drop that time, but it's supposed to be 1 at a time, so I'm going to keep on mixing. Okay guys, this is how it looks now. This is how the mixture looks now. So the next thing I'm going to add in my flour, my 3 cups of cake flour. I'm going to add a little bit at a time. And as I'm adding, I'm going to be mixing it up. And then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the consistency of after I mixed in all the cake flour. Now you're going to add a pinch of salt. That should be about a pinch. I'm going to add that in there. And then I'm going to stir it some more and then I'll be back. Okay, the salt is all mixed, so this is the batter. So now we're going to add it into our bundt pan. Okay, the next thing I'm doing is adding the batter into the pan, which I've already greased with Baker's Choice. And one thing about when you bake, it's a messy job, so I like to do a little housekeeping in between what I'm doing, because flour and eggs, especially the flour, gets everywhere. Anyway, guys, I will be back once I take this out of the oven. I'm going to finish putting this batter into the pan, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I have it all into the pan, as you can see. And I'm getting ready to put it into the oven on 325 degrees for an hour and 20 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back to make the glaze. I'm going to use this Dunkin' extra coffee creamer, a little bit of lemon juice, and powdered sugar. So, and remember, you only put a little bit of liquid at a time. If not, you're going to have to add more powdered sugar. And then you may end up getting too much glaze than you need. So I'm going to put a little bit of this lemon juice. I'm not measuring. I just look at the consistency of what I want. Alright, let's give it a stir. Alright, I'm going to be back when I get the consistency that I desire. Okay guys, I added a little bit more powdered sugar because it was a little too loose for me. So, and this is the consistency right now. This is about right. But I think I'm going to add a little bit more lemon juice. Give it that lemony flavor. Alright, I might have to add a little bit more powder too. But let's see. Okay, we're going to give it a taste test. Let's give it a taste test. Let's try it off the spoon. Yeah, this is pretty good. Pretty good. Alright, I'll be back when the cake come out the oven. Okay guys, the cake is out. I'm going to let it cool before I frost in the cake with this. And I'll be back when we get ready to frost it. Okay guys, I'm about to frost in the cake. Put the little drizzle on it. There we go. Make sure I get every bit out. Okay, now we're going to cut it and do a taste test. Okay guys, here's the cake. This is how it looks. Now I'm going to do a taste test. And get a spoon. I'm not showing myself because I done got comfortable now. So let's give this a taste test. It's really, really fluffy. Real fluffy. It's good. It's really good. It's real fluffy. It's a fluffy cake. And outside, let me see. Take another two. It's kind of, the little crust is kind of chewy, but the inside is really moist. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. And maybe if you have any questions on what I did or some substitutions that I can use, leave it down in the description box. And I will see you guys in the next video.